Alright guys, we are live here for 2019-20 NT Basketball. Number 17. Thank you guys all so much for the fill. Thank you for the patience. We really appreciate it. I thought that these would have been very popular getting... Oh. Thanks, Chris. I thought you were being sarcastic. Yeah, we got a lot, man. We definitely have a lot. We've been in the game a long time. Really long time. Our website, I guess, is how we connected with you and your buddy. So we're transitioning to a website so that we can get in touch with more people and so that things can be more efficient. Alright, let's get, I don't want to see this bottom card. Actually, it doesn't even matter. The RPA is not on the bottom anyway. Ever. Tristan Thompson. Number to 99. Good old Tristan Thompson. He was a big part of that championship team. He's going to the base. Let's see. Alfie. Well, I think I know who the plate is. Yeah, that's sweet. Kemba. Not bad. Kemba Walker. It's out of Flawless. Let's go on a Farm Diggity. Good old Farm Dog. Here we go, NT. That's it, baby. The old napkin. It's unbelievable. For Dwayne. For Dwayne. The good old napkin. Sorry, Ryan. Yeah, it was pulled away. Chad, it's a 355 player list. It's not on the screen. You have to go into the Facebook thread. Yeah, it's all in the Facebook thread, bud. Exactly where I tug you. There's no way somebody could have a 355 person list on the screen. Damian Lillard, 9 of 10. Damian Lillard, 9 of 10 for Brian Angerman. Brian Angerman. Congrats, Angus. Alex English. Alex English, number to 99. Alex English. Number to 99. Michael Lessergen. Jesus God. Thad Young. John Pavelka. This is nuts. 34 out of 99. $34 out of 99. Elgin Baylor, 17 out of 49. Elgin Baylor. Tommy Wang. You're hilarious, Stone. You are hilarious. Jesus God. Rui. 8 out of 49. Is this guy serious? Is this serious? I'm pretty sure it's going to Angus. Yep. Oh my God. What a disaster. And 2 napkins. My God. Cam Reddish. Cam Reddish, 29 out of 99. Cam Reddish. Farm dog. Look at this. DeAndre Hunter, 96 out of 99. DeAndre Hunter. Wang Wei Yu. For Wang Wei Yu. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right, guys. Thank you very much.